Next, we are covering the traveling salesman problem, or TSP for short, and this is a very famous problem in mathematics. It was initially defined in the 1930s, and since then there's been a great deal of attention devoted to it. PBS had a special on it. If you go to Amazon, there's like 10 books written just about the traveling salesman problem. So essentially what it is you're trying to find the most efficient route to visit every location. So officially it's defined as the problem of finding a Hamiltonian circuit in a complete weighted graph for which the sum of the weights of the edges is a minimum. Such a Hamiltonian circuit is called the optimal Hamiltonian circuit. So number 5 says, solve the traveling salesman problem starting at city A. So these are all the possible routes that we could take to visit every single city starting at A and then traveling back to A. Now, some of these circuits are actually the same, just the opposite direction. So we need to find the distance of each of these routes. So the first route would be 190 plus 126 plus 179 plus 157. So that is a total of 652 miles. The second route would be 190 plus 155 plus 179 plus 124, which is 648 miles. The third route will be 124 plus 126 plus 155 plus 157, which is 562 miles. The fourth route is 124 plus 179 plus 155 plus 190, and that is 648. So as you can see, the fourth route is the same distance as the second route. They're just opposite directions. The fifth route would be 157 plus 155 plus 126 plus 124, which is 562. And then the last route would be 157 plus 179 plus 126 plus 190, which is 652. So the shortest distance is 562 miles. And it doesn't matter if you take the third route or the fifth route. Again, they're the same route, just the opposite direction.